Now let's talk about the erectile dysfunction, the muscle, the penetrating vessel, and penis 2. Chapter 44 of the Simple Questions mentions the ancestral muscle in another passage. The bright yang is the sea of the 5 yin and 6 yang organs. It irrigates the ancestral muscle which runs to the pubic bone and up the spine in the back. This statement is interesting because it is the only one where the ancestral muscle is described as running not only up to the abdomen from the pubic bone to the xiphoid process, but also up to the back along the spine. From this passage, therefore, it sounds like the ancestral muscle is not only the rectus abdominis muscle, but also the spinal muscles or erector spinae. The penetrating vessel is related to the state of the ancestral muscle of the abdomen. If the penetrating vessel is not flourishing, the ancestral muscle is slack. A slackness of the ancestral muscle may cause prolapse of the uterus in women and some types of leg atrophy. If we look at the anatomy of the rectus abdominis muscle, we see that its origin is at the xiphoid process and anterior ribs, and its insertion is at the pubic bone just above the root of the penis. Thus, it is easy to see how the ancestral muscle, Zongjin, can well be both the rectus abdominis and the penis. As we have seen above, chapter 44 of the Simple Questions clearly equates the ancestral muscle with the penis when it says, when one engages in excessive sexual activity, the penis, Zongjin, ancestral muscle, will become slack, causing impotence, gene weight, and seminal emissions. If we take the ancestral muscle, Zongjin, to mean the penis, then the penetrating vessel influences the penis, and in particular, the corpus spongiosum and corpus cavernosum As erection depends on the corpus cavernosum being filled with blood, the penetrating vessel, being the sea of blood and influencing the ancestral muscle, plays a role in erection and therefore erectile dysfunction, impotence, or priapism. Clinical note. The points to use for ED from a disharmony of the penetrating vessel are spleen 4, Gongsun, on the left, and pericardium 6, NADE1 on the right, together with kidney 13, Keishui, kidney 11, Hengu, and Ren 4, Guanyuan. For the summary, the ancestral muscle and the penetrating vessel. The term Zongjin, literally ancestral muscle, refers either to the rectus abdominis muscle or to the penis. The penetrating vessel is related to the state of the ancestral muscle of the abdomen. If the penetrating vessel is not flourishing, the ancestral muscle is slack. A slackness of the ancestral muscle may cause prolapse of the uterus in women and some types of leg atrophy. The penetrating vessel influences the penis, and in particular, the corpus spongiosum and corpus cavernosum, and therefore erection. Thank you for your attention.